Hi everyone. Welcome to HNM Technologies online training. In a previous video, we learned dictionary basics like creating, accessing, adding, updating, and deleting. We also briefly touched items, right? So since I said in a previous video, we are going to cover items and dot keys, values in this video. Now, today we go to deep into the dictionary methods and looping. This where a dictionary become truly powerful. Think about our movie database system from our last video. We could search and add movies, but what if we want to loop through all movies and print a report? Get just movie names as a list and getting just a collection of collections for collecting average and building a new filter dictionary in one line. All of these topics we're going to cover in this video. And today we cover keys, get all keys, values, all values, items, get a key value pairs, and looping through dictionary properly, get advanced uses, get, we already used get to get element from a dictionary. And dictionary comprehensions, one of one line dictionary building, right? Now, let me open a OVS code first. Yeah, this is OVS code and so since we already know how to get values keys like this I have a student data student like data I have a student like Arjun age 21 and grade A and his hostel is true is staying in hostel, right? This is the data. Now I want keys like to get keys values and items like see one by one printing keys, see dict keys, dictionary key, name, age, grade, hostel. So these are the keys name, age, grade, host, right? And what if I want only values? So these are the values, clicked values, Arjun A true, and printing items, items like name, Arjun, in a one list. See, we are getting a data in a list format. See, all the data in a one list format list. Inside a list, we are having data name, Arjun, age 21, grade A, hostel. So okay, this returns a special view objects, not a regular list, but the work with for loops and in operator directly. Convert with the list only when you need a list operations like indexing. Okay. Now dictionary comprehension. So since we saw list comprehensions in our previous videos, just like that, a dictionary comprehensions builds a dictionary in a one line. Like in a normal way, we build this. We take a movies. No normal way, we take a movies like a triple or KG and we assign a new dictionary and for movie in a movies just appending just assigning that into new movie, right? So this way we do that. We have a in a normal way we used to take movies. Yeah, there's a movies KGF, Bahubali, Triple R, Pushpa, Vikram, Sarkar, Jawan, and I'm going to take a collections, right? Yeah, collections of that movie, and now I'm going to take these movies in the movies dictate like movie day. So that I want empty dictionary, right? This is my empty dictionary for movie and collection and JPEG movies and collections because we are using two lists together, right? Yeah, now here I'm just putting these movies into the collections in a one dictionary. See, my dict is KGF 1000 crores, Bahubali 2000, Triple R 3000, Pushpa 4000, Vikram 5, and Sarkar 6000, Jawan 7. Like this, I type. And what if I'm going to take this in a list comprehension way? So I'm going to this list dictionary comprehension in a one line. As I said, I take variable movie collection for movie collection in a JPEG for movies collection, the movies and collection. I'm going to print my C dot same output as C dot. So this way we use to dictionary comprehension. Now for this is a very simple syntax like a new the key value for key and value in a writer seek. Like this way we use the dictionary comprehension and give me a key value for each key in the seek key and each key and value in a seek. So this is the syntax for dictionary comprehension. And what's the example for dictionary comprehension? Exact squares dictionary for like if I want squares, just take num for num in a range 1 comma. So up to 10 squares I'll get 1 for 2, 4 square is a 4 for 3 9. C will get up to 100 for 10 100. So this way we get a squares. If I want a movie name, length of name, okay, movies name, movie length of movie for movie in a movies. So just KGF 3, Bahubali 8, Triple R 3, Pushpa 6, Vikram 6, Sarkar 6. It's quite impressive. See, we have a label and the length, right? Most important and most useful thing in a dictionary is we always get labels for what for our data, right? And now we do most of with this dictionaries and dictionary comprehensions. So instead of just looping dictionary, we'll use dictionary comprehensions with conditions, right? Now I'm going to take a movie database with a movie name triple R. Here I'm not taking all the data, but instead of that, I'm just taking collection. How much many the movie got collected. That data only I'm taking. So for that, I'm not taking this nested dictionary. I only take normal dictionary. This triple R 1200 Bahubali 1000. See this? We have a movie name and a collection. Now I'm going to take these all are blockbuster movies, but I'm taking a blockbuster movie is only if it collected more than 1,000 crores. Okay. Lower than 1,000 we have a Javan Sarkar, right? And Vikram also lower than 1,000. Bahubali is also 1,000. Which movies got more than 1,000, right? Now I'm going to take collections. I'm taking is a blockbuster. Only blockbusters greater than 1,000, right? For that I took a variable called a blockbuster and movie collections, right? For movie comma collection in movies database dot items are this item 1,200,000, right? Item if collection greater than 1,000, so that is going to print as a block. So this is the output. Triple R 1,200, KGF 2,000, Pushpa 1,500. So these movies are blockbuster. Since these all are blockbuster movies, but I just give a condition like this. Okay, right. Now I'm going to print only flop movies. What if I want to flop movies? Like Bahubali is considered as a flop, and Sarkar, Jawan also, Vikram also considered as a flop. Here I took another variable called flop. Yeah, here see movies collections for movies. I'm just taking movies database as items, and if a collection is less than 1,000, this considered as a flop. See the movies Sarkar and Jawan, these are flops. Okay. Now one more thing we'll do average because we have this 1,000, right? Bahubali is 1,000, Vikram also 1,000. So I'm taking those as a average. Now average movie. See, I'm just making collection. I don't want this movies triple R and these are average. Those are exactly equal to collection. Yeah. See, I use a double equal because I'm not assigning 1,000. I'm just equaling. So for that I use a double equal, right? See if I use single, it got a error. Yeah. Those movies are equals to 1,000. Those I'm considering as average movies. Bahubali and Vikram as average. We'll see some interesting stuff here. Okay, so again I'm taking movies database for swapping. Like if what if I want keys into values into keys. So that's what swapping. Here we can swap this or dictionary, right? Swapping keys and values. I take a movie database like and you can see movies I have Triple R Bahubali KGF Pushpa Vikram Sarkar Jawan and the collections we have and right. But if I swap this like collections into movies like movies collections, I'm just taking the movies into items. Okay, those items into keys into the values. Okay, here I take a collection and a movie. See, collection is a 1,200 and movie 1,000 Vikram and 2,000 KGF. Like we can swap this or dictionary also. And what if transforming the values? We'll see. In the previous output, we saw only like whether it is a collection, a blockbuster movie, right? Flop and average, and that output is not satisfied for me. Now I'm going to take a output as like this movie is like Bahubali is a blockbuster or average or Javan is average. Like that I want output like Triple R is a blockbuster and KGF is a blockbuster like a hit of. So for that I'm going to take my movies database. This is my movies data. Now I'm going to take this my movies database. For this I'm doing status. Movie is a hit if collection is greater than 1,000. Else flop for movie in collection if so can it's wait second. I took a status is a movie hit if collection greater than 40,000. Else not average. Else I'm taking yeah. Okay, fine. If it is more than 1,000, I take it as a hit. Otherwise, I take it as a average. Right. See, my output is triple or hit. Bahubali average. KGF hit. Pushpa hit. Vikram average. Sarkar average. Jawan average. Okay. So I do more stuff with this output for more convenient way. I'm going to do. Yeah. See now. Triple R is a hit. Bahubali is average. KGF is hit. Pushpa is hit. Vikram is like this output is better than the previous one, right? Okay, now let's see what we covered in this video. So we can see we can get a keys with the help of a dot key, and we can get values with the help of a key dot values and items, right? With the help of a dot item. and also looping with conditions like for looping, else we also done, and dictionary comprehensions, which is the most important thing in this video, most important topic in this video. We see how to create a dictionary comprehension, and we use dictionary comprehensions, and also we loop this dictionary comprehensions with the help of for loop and else. And since we did if and else to this comprehensions, right now I'm going to give you some practical questions, some practice questions. Okay, here I give a list. With the help of this list, just print all the keys using case method, and also print values using values method, and print all the items using the item method, and also do the print number of items in the dictionary, and length of the dictionary, and also how much collections, average, find total collection, find also average of the collection, right? So I have a dictionary. So in this dictionary we have a movie, triple or, the data, director, release year, rating, and collections. So print only keys with the help of dot keys, and values with the help of dot values, items with the help of dot items. And now print the number of items in the dictionary, and also print the length of the dictionary. And now finally you need to print a total collection and average of collections of the dictionary, for dictionary inside the data for collections. We have a collections, right? Sorry, for these two questions I'm giving you another dictionary called collections. So you have only one collection. For that, with the help of one collection we can't do this total and average for this. So I'm just giving the another dictionary collections. Yeah, we have movies for collection. For them you do this find the total collection and average collection here. Okay, right. Yeah, that's it for this video. And now we have completed a master over the dictionaries, the most powerful data structure in the Python. Dot keys, values, item, dictionary comprehensions, and these are the tools every professionals and Python developers use daily. Okay. Yeah. Thank you for choosing H&M Technologies, and happy coding. Bye bye.